Today video I'm going to prepare boiled yam and scent leaf sauce. So I have my scent leaf here, banero pepper and onions and yam. So I'm washing my scent leaf. Make sure I wash it very well. I'm done washing it. I have to wash my onions, ready for start slicing it. Next is my scent leaf. So I'm done slicing it. Prepare my pot on the fire, added palm oil, so allow it to hot. Then I added my chopped onions and my seasoning cube. Next is my habanero pepper and my curry powder. So I have to stir it very well. I have to come in with my scent leaf. I have to allow it to cook for some time. Next is my yam. So I added water and salt. You can see the yam is ready to eat. So I added my scent leaf sauce. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video and likes and comment. Thank you.